it's me, Ursula Thomas, and hey, welcome to my channel. Yes, as you know, see, I couldn't even get it out. That's why I need to stop. Okay, guys, welcome to my channel. As you know, this channel was and is founded on thrifting. But you know, I throw a little lifestyle in there from time to time. So, y'all know that I bought me a juicer, and I'm trying to get it off into this juicing thing. So, I want to share with you guys my Kroger haul that I shopped for getting ready to do some juicing, baby. So, y'all, I don't know if you know this, but my Krogers have these beautiful pineapples on sale for 97 cents. So, I went ahead because I think one of the juices I want to do, I want to add pineapple. Oh, I'm sorry, y'all. See, I'm trying to go so fast, so let me backtrack. All of my recipes that been down with me. Hey, welcome to my channel. Welcome to my channel. All of my new subbies, thank you so much for joining the family. Y'all always, y'all know about me. And all of the passersby saying, who is that and what's she all about? My name is Ursula Thomas, and I'm all about thrifting. I'm all about bargaining. I'm all about saving some money. But I'm also about living a healthier life, being on this journey to live a healthy, strong life, and to do that through the nutrients that God has blessed us with on this earth. Okay, that was a mouthful. So that being said, y'all, as I said, Kroger's have these pineapples on sale, 97 cents. So I got 3 of these bad boys because one of the juices that I want to do, they are, one of them I think have pineapple. Now let me tell you, I don't really have a recipe. I just kind of like I learned how to cook. Just throw some stuff in there, and if it tastes all right, we'll try it again. Next thing I got was some Granny Smith apples. Now, I'm going to tell you something. I used to love these apples. And then all of a sudden, I love these apples. Then I started with the Fuji apple. Then I started with the Gala apple. Then I started with the Honey Crisp. Yeah, I've been eating apples for so long. At first, to me, an apple was an apple. I've been eating for so long. I used to call these the sour apples. But now I've been eating for so long, I can tell what I'm eating. So lately, I've been loving, and I have found out that I like Gala apples more than I like any other apples. But a lot of the recipes, for some reason, and I'm not following the recipe, but even when I see other people juice, they mostly use the green apple. So I just went ahead on and bought that. Then I got some nanos. I love nanos, even though they had them carbs, but I love me some nanos. Then I got some ginger. I recently just kind of got into ginger because of, y'all know, I'm doing the, healing naturally from inflammation and all that stuff. And ginger aids a lot in that, so that's when I kind of got into ginger. Then I got these pears, because I'm going to juice some of those. And I got, hold on, let me get the rest of it. Got time, threw it in the refrigerator. Anyway, I got some raspberries, and I do not like raspberries. I am not a big fan of raspberries. And I got some blueberries, baby. Now, on a side note, I found this. I love going and looking at Kroger's discount aisle or whatever you want to call it. And I found this, and I wanted to try it because sometimes I be wanting something like if I have a meat, and I be wanting a little like something like a little rice taste. So I found this Jasmine's rice with what is it? Quinoa, you know what I'm talking about. So I found this, and they marked it down to $1.29, and it's a perfect size for me and my husband because we're probably on somebody really trying that. Then I wanted to try this because I really did used to like noodles, even though they say you eating plastic, honey. I used to like noodles. So when I saw these Oceans Kalo, and then it's supposed to be, but you can't always go by that. It's supposed to be vegan chicken, big bowl noodles. So, and they had marked these down to $1.79. So I thought I would give it a try just to see, do I like them? Just me and my husband. One day get some veggies, Throw some veggies up in here with this, and that's gonna be dinner, honey. And then he loves, my husband used to love bologna. So when I seen this turkey bologna, Oscar Mayer turkey bologna, I grabbed it for him. I thought it might be better, just a little bit better than the original bologna. So what we're gonna do now is I'm already washing my celery. I already got this good and soaked and washed. And I'm finna wash my lemons and my apple. And I don't know if I'm gonna put a pear in it. I know I'm gonna throw some of these raspberries and blueberries in it, child. I just be doing it, child. And then we're gonna get the juice in. So hold on, hold tight. Let me get my juicer set right, honey. Okay, guys. So we got the juicer set up. Got all our goodies that we're gonna put in the juicer. Can y'all see the goodies? Don't want to drop the goodies, honey. Don't drop the goodies. You don't drop the goodies. Got all the goodies. But before we get to juicing, I did want to share this with you guys. I went to Target last night, guys. And if y'all know, I am a candle lover. I love candles. So I went in there just browsing around and looking with my granddaughter to get herself some stuff for her room. Ran across these little candles. The thing I love about these, guys, if you look, see that frost? It has like a frost on the glass. So even after you get through burning, not only do it smell amazing, but even after you get through burning the candle, look how pretty that is. You can just use that as decor, especially if you're one of them people that do like cotton balls and all that stuff in your bathroom. You definitely could use these in there if you have that silver misting in your bathroom. I think they are so beautiful. The packaging, not only just do they smell good, so I want to share that with you guys. They were $5. I bought, I think, 4 or 5 of them, but then they also had the ones that are a little bit bigger that are $10. But I opted out for the 5 because I wanted to put just a little bit everywhere, and I don't want it to be overwhelming. So y'all know this is a little loud, so we're gonna get the juice in, y'all. Ooh, we got it set up. Y'all ready? Let's go, honey. Let's go. Let's get it cracking. Lacking. Up so I can sip on some juice all day if I choose to. So I'm gonna have to pour this out. And let's get it done, honey. I could smell that ginger, y'all, because I did put some ginger in here. And we going to stir this up with my stirrer. We're going to stir it up and then we're going to taste that. Woohoo! Gonna stir it up. Color is so pretty, y'all. Sometimes it be about the presentation. Ooh, let's see. This is so good. This is better than any juice you could buy at the store. I promise you. If you want to know what I put in it, I put 2 lemons. I put ginger. I put celery. And I put 2 apples. I put raspberry and blueberry. Now, honey, I ain't got no measurements for you. But this is good. Oh my gosh. Y'all, this is the healthy living and healthy juicing. I love you guys. Be the solution. Bye.